In the last video, I mentioned homemade cream corn. A bunch of people was wondering how to make that. That's simple. That was one of our staples here growing up. There's 100 different ways to get the kernels off a cob. I like a tomato knife. I think it comes off there super easy that way. So basically all we're going to have is corn, bacon grease, and some cream, and then salt and pepper to taste. Now make sure you scrape your ears and get all the love you can out of them. All that starch is what's going to thicken your cream when you put it in there. I was surprised at the price of corn this time of year. I think I give, they call these chopped. They just had the husk off them. It was like $2.99 for 3 of them, like $1 a piece. And the pork I've got to go with dinner, it was only like $2.99 a pound. So yeah, corn's more expensive than the meat, but it'll be good. So here's what we got. I'm gonna take you guys over here and get a skin. All right, we got our grease heating up. Now this is not healthy by any means. Full of carbs, full of fat, but it is delicious. We're gonna fry this till it gets tender. We're about halfway through. We're going to give it a stir. Now this is one of them things you want to black pepper the hell out of. Give it to it. We're going to hit that with a little salt. Give him another stir. But by far my favorite way to eat corn. All right, our corn's tender. It's time to add our cream. And I like to put a pinch of sugar in mine. Shut it off and let it thicken. But there's our finished product. Got to get the rest of supper started. I'm always running behind. Boy, that's delicious. That's a whole childhood in a bite right there. That's the only way corn should be eaten. You just can't have that much bacon grease all the time, right? I hope you guys try that though. That's the only way to go.